Dis Dinsdag, dis Meerprop en jy kyk Meerprop TV.
Why would I not worship forever? 'Cause I've seen the good you've done. I'm not ashamed of a sinner saved. No, I'm not afraid anymore. When the world comes foolish, you come freedom. Now I won't hold back anymore. I've got joy in the morning, joy in the evening. You keep me dancing in every season. Whatever comes tomorrow, I've got joy.
So, are you part of the Meerprop team?
You should join the Meerprop team. Scan the QR code on the screen now.
Imagine this. It's Friday afternoon, March 20th. You've just finished a long week of school. Instead of heading home to your chores or scrolling through your phone for the 10th time today, you're throwing a bag in the car and heading out to the destination where the 2026 Meerprop Camp. 3 days, zero boredom. We're talking epic team challenges, late night campfires, and the kind of moments that actually stick with you. Now, usually a weekend like this would cost a fortune, but we've got you for just 500 Rand. That includes everything: transportation and food. March 20th to the 22nd, the countdown is officially on. Don't be the one watching the highlights on Sunday night wishing you were there. Grab your spot now. See you at the camp.